Gmail has become an integral part of life. People live in inbox most of the day to get things done. In today's world of cloud-based application, everyone needs quite a few cloud applications on an ongoing basis for their personal, professional, or business needs. It is important that Gmail and other cloud applications work together in synergy on a daily basis to achieve what they want. Let us look at your scenario. I'm sure you too are using a number of cloud applications. Let's say you are using 5 cloud applications. Switching context to each of the applications from Gmail, signing into them, and navigating to the right screen to get things done are painful. What if you get all the applications right from Gmail with a smooth way of moving data between your inbox and your apps? Mail Director as an app enables this for you. Mail Director is a G Suite add-on for Gmail that makes you to interact with several cloud applications based on your configuration without leaving your inbox email message. Let us look at a use case. A catering service receives inquiries and orders in Gmail. On receipt of an inquiry, the caterer wants to create the contact in HubSpot and nurture the contact. On receipt of an order, the caterer wants to create a project in Insightly CRM and track it. When a new order arrives, the caterer also wants to send out a Slack message and wants to create a Trello Card in the order delivery board for the team to monitor the progress. The caterer uses Mail Director to interact with all his cloud applications right from Gmail. Let's look at how to install Mail Director. Click on the plus button, search for Mail Director, open Mail Director, click on install, click on continue, provide the necessary authorization. Now Mail Director is installed. And close this. If you notice, this Mail Director will appear here. This is Mail Director. So let's get into the case. The caterer is receiving the inquiry. He will open Mail Director. Since this is the first time, he will need to configure the services. These are the available apps. As I mentioned earlier, the caterer wants to create a HubSpot contact. So let us choose HubSpot. HubSpot is authenticated. So it has two information. One is show as a contact and create contact. Show contact as an information. If there is a contact already there, it will be shown here. Or the user can create a new contact. Let's call it as contact management. That's the service name. Let's save this. So the moment the service is created, you will see two things. One is an information and there's an action. The information is show contact. There is no matching contact. The action that is available is create contact. So the caterer goes and creates the contact in HubSpot, clicking this. He can provide additional information as the information is available. Click on create contact. So the contact in HubSpot got created without leaving Gmail. If you want to have a look at how the contact is created in HubSpot, you can go to the link and see the contact information there. Now let's say the caterer receives an order from the same contact. When he opens that order email, the mail director add-on will automatically connect the contact information from HubSpot and show it here. The user can navigate to HubSpot by clicking on the name. Okay, so this is the information that has been shown based on the existing contact that has been available in HubSpot. So let's go back to our use case. The caterer, on receipt of the order, he wants to create an Insightly project. But Insightly is not yet configured. Let us configure that. It's a one time. Choose Insightly as an app. It requires a product API key. To get the API key, let's go here into the user settings. This is the API key. Provide the API key, and with that API key we can connect to Insightly. Insightly is now connected. Let's give a name, project tracking. I don't want to show the information from Insightly. I want to have an action called create project. Save this. The moment I saved it, in the dashboard or in the main page, I see Insightly action that has been selected is coming listed. So for this order, the caterer can just click on this and create a project. So all this information from the order email is taken here. The user can change a little bit, but for simplicity, let me go ahead and create the project. So this one now is supposed to create the project directly in Insightly based on our connection. Let's go to the Insightly link and see that. Yes, that project is created from the email. The email subject is used as a title of the project, and the description has the complete email information. Next, the caterer wants to communicate this new order to the team via Slack. Let's configure Slack for the first time. Create new. Choose Slack as an app. Log in with Slack. It uses auth true login. Let's agree to connect. Once it is connected, mail director will list all the channels that are available there, and you can pick up a channel to send the email. Let's give this a name, notify team. Let us pick up catering orders as a channel. Let's go and look at what is there in the catering orders channel. So this is Slack. For now the catering orders is empty. Since it is being a demo, I just kept an empty channel here. So I'm choosing an action, send message here. My configuration is done. So now back to the use case. The caterer can now click on go in the Slack service to send the message. So the message information is here. Let's go ahead and send this message. Once this message is sent, we should be able to see the message here. So whoever has subscribed to this channel will be seeing this message, this new order message. So thereby the caterer notifies the team. As a final step in the use case, the caterer wants to create a Trello card whenever there's a new order arrives. This is the Trello board which team uses for monitoring the progress of order. So from this Gmail message, the caterer wants to create a Trello card in the Trello board. So for the first time, the caterer has to connect to Trello. Let's create a service. Choose Trello as an app. Log in with Trello. Allow mail director to connect with Trello. Once Trello has been connected, mail director shows the available list of boards. Let me choose the Trello board as order delivery board demo. Let me choose list as new orders. So basically I want the new orders to be created in this board and coming into this list. Let me give it a name, show in Trello board. Save this. Okay, so now the caterer can create a Trello card from the Gmail by clicking on go. Okay, let's create a Trello card. So from Gmail directly it is creating a Trello card. You can go to the Trello card by following the link. So the mail subject is used as a title for the card and mail contents are put into the description of the card. So if you see here in the new order in the top position, this new mail, the order mail has come as a new Trello card. Mail director is now fully set up for the use case of catering service. If you see that all the services are set up, connecting to different apps, connecting to HubSpot, connecting to Insightly, connecting to Slack, and Trello. So for the caterer, now it is fully configured and he can directly start using Gmail, and whenever he wants to interact with any of the app, he just needs to pick up the service and click on go. So depending on whatever use case that you have, you can use the settings to configure the apps that you need and then prepare a list of services for yourself and keep it ready. And all these apps interactions will be made available through the services from mail director right inside Gmail. So keep exploring. Thank you for watching. Bye.